Parrot Swing Drone with Flypad. The Parrot Swing Drone with Flypad represents a fascinating combination of cutting-edge technology and recreational enjoyment. This sophisticated drone boasts a distinctive design capable of both vertical takeoff and horizontal flight. It's not your typical quadcopter. It can function as an airplane as well. With the included Flypad controller, users can experience immersive piloting, making it an ideal choice for drone enthusiasts. The drone is equipped with a range of features, including a vertical takeoff mode for easy launch and landing, and a horizontal flight mode that enables swift and dynamic aerial maneuvers. It also features a high-quality camera for capturing stunning photos and videos from the skies, providing a unique perspective for hobbyists and aerial photographers. iRobot Braava 320. The iRobot Braava 320 is a dedicated cleaning robot designed to simplify and streamline your household chores. It's a testament to the ongoing integration of technology into our daily lives, aimed at alleviating the burdens of mundane tasks. This compact but efficient robot is focused on floor cleaning, specializing in sweeping and mopping. With advanced sensors, the iRobot Braava 320 navigates your home, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a thorough and efficient cleaning process. It's equipped with detachable cleaning cloths that can be easily swapped for sweeping or mopping, making it adaptable to your specific cleaning needs. In today's fast-paced world, devices like the iRobot Braava 320 help homeowners regain precious time while maintaining a clean living space. iMobi 4 Apple Watch Nightstand Charger. The iMobi 4 Apple Watch Nightstand Charger is a testament to the ever-evolving realm of technology accessories. Specifically designed for Apple Watch users, this sleek and convenient charger transforms your watch into a nightstand clock while it's charging. The design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it a seamless addition to your bedside table or workspace. Not only does this charger facilitate your nightly routine, but it also serves as a stylish and space-efficient way to keep your Apple Watch fully charged. The intuitive design integrates the charger into a minimalist stand, allowing the watch to function as a clock. This kind of innovation exemplifies how technology accessories are becoming increasingly elegant and user-friendly, adding both functionality and style to our daily lives. iWalk Scorpion Ultra Slim Power Bank with built-in cables. The iWalk Scorpion Ultra Slim Power Bank stands as a prime example of the growing need for portable power solutions in our tech-savvy society. This sleek and compact power bank is designed to provide on-the-go charging for various devices, from smartphones to tablets. What sets it apart is the inclusion of built-in charging cables, eliminating the need to carry separate cords. With integrated Lightning and micro USB cables, the Scorpion Power Bank ensures that you're always prepared to charge your devices, regardless of the connection type. Its slim profile allows for easy storage in pockets or bags, making it a convenient accessory for modern individuals who rely heavily on their electronic devices. This type of innovation reflects the ongoing demand for portable power solutions in our increasingly mobile world. Vuze XR. The Vuze XR represents a remarkable advancement in the world of consumer 360-degree cameras. In an era characterized by our collective fascination with immersive content and virtual reality, the Vuze XR offers users the capability to capture both 360-degree video and high-resolution 3D content. It's a versatile tool for content creators and VR enthusiasts. This camera is engineered to record spherical video, allowing users to capture their surroundings from every angle. What sets it apart is its ability to switch between 360-degree mode and 3D mode with a simple fold, enabling a multitude of creative possibilities for virtual reality experiences. It's a prime example of how technology is continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible in content creation and immersive storytelling. Insta360 Nanospherical Video Camera. The Insta360 Nanospherical Video Camera is another example of the increasing interest in 360-degree video technology. This pocket-sized camera is tailored for mobile users, allowing them to shoot, edit, and share 360-degree videos and photos directly from their iPhones. The Insta360 Nano offers real-time stitching, meaning it automatically merges images from its dual lenses into a seamless 360-degree view. It's a user-friendly solution for creating immersive content without the need for extensive post-processing. This type of camera caters to the growing popularity of virtual reality and immersive storytelling, as users can easily capture and share their own 360-degree experiences. IKKO ITX05 All-in-One Docking Station. The IKKO ITX05 all-in-one docking station is a prime example of how technology accessories are evolving to streamline our daily lives. Designed as a versatile hub, this docking station caters to individuals who possess various devices, including laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The IKKO ITX05 simplifies the charging and data transfer process by consolidating multiple ports and connectors into one convenient unit. It eliminates the need for multiple adapters and cables, promoting a clutter-free workspace and an efficient approach to device management. The docking station's compatibility with various operating systems and devices underscores the growing demand for versatile and user-friendly solutions to accommodate the increasing number of gadgets in our lives. 8-bit Retro Cube Speaker. The 8-bit Retro Cube Speaker is a striking embodiment of nostalgia in the modern world of technology. Shaped like a classic gaming console controller, it pays homage to the iconic design of retro video game controllers while offering advanced speaker technology. The fusion of retro aesthetics and contemporary functionality is evident in the Bluetooth connectivity, superior audio quality, and long-lasting battery life. It's an example of how technology companies are tapping into the nostalgia of consumers who fondly remember the early days of gaming while providing them with modern features and convenience. Arlo Smart Chime 2 for all Arlo doorbells and cameras. The Arlo Smart Chime 2 is a testament to the evolution of home security and smart technology. In a world where convenience and safety are paramount, devices like this smart chime have found their place in modern homes. Designed to work seamlessly with Arlo doorbells and cameras, the Arlo Smart Chime 2 enhances home security by providing audible notifications when someone rings the doorbell or when motion is detected. It offers multiple ringtones and adjustable volume levels, allowing homeowners to customize their alert preferences. This type of innovation underscores the increasing integration of smart devices into our homes, making our lives more secure, connected, and efficient. Flynova Pro. The Flynova Pro represents an innovative take on recreational technology, combining a drone and a fidget spinner. This device is designed for fun and creativity, catering to both kids and adults looking for a unique way to enjoy leisure time. The Flynova Pro is a flying toy that users can launch into the air and control with their hands. It's engineered with advanced sensors and precise control mechanisms to enable aerial tricks, such as spinning, flipping, and hovering. This fusion of playfulness and technology demonstrates how contemporary gadgets can bring joy and entertainment into our lives, while simultaneously showcasing the versatility of drone technology beyond its conventional applications.